Hey, Mep here. So, Mep Investments. I said I'll do another video and touch on the futures and stuff. But I'm like, I'm here looking at my account and it keeps going up. I'm like, what's going on here? And another bio. These guys must be going after bios. Um. Anyways, CYTH. I mean, after hour. I mean, I own this at 676 and some buying here after hours. I mean, let me see. Yeah, yeah, after hours hit 954. Just crazy, crazy. And then I started doing the reading on the company, CYTH. I'm not Carnival, CYTH. Up after hours, $1.15. Well, I only have 4 million shares, a $37 million company, but the director bought 10,000 at 636. So, anyways, I mean, it's a pretty new company because I was looking at the chart here, and it seems like it was an IPO, and I got in over here on this big bar because I saw they had a bigger bar over here and got up to like 873. I think my average is six something, 676. So I probably got in that day. Let me see. On 127 is when I got in. 127. 127. I got in right here. I I got in when it broke the 674 hump. So I'm in the 86, right? Yeah, 676. Because I put a lot of alerts. I put alerts like I'll see this stock and I'll put an alert at 674. And if it breaks it and I see some decent volume, I'll buy it. And apparently it's working. And this is a new company. When did these guys come out? Doesn't tell me IPO, huh? Sometimes they would tell you IPO here. Management owns 13% of the company. Um, let me see if it tells me here when this must have came out. Yeah, December 9th. Price is 2.5 million at $5. Stated with a by Maximum Group for $12 price target. Maximum 12. Some director bought 30,000 shares at 466. So some inside buying, that's good news. So Cyclo, however you say it, trading high at the company announced positive efficiency data for extension protocol for trapezoid patients with Niemann-Pick disease type C. Interesting. So I don't know. I just saw it creeping up. But anyways, I wanted to touch base on the markets. I got 3 minutes in this video. I try and keep these things between five and 10 minutes. Don't want to bombard you. I haven't done many crypto videos. I don't have I don't have anything right now in crypto, to be honest with you. And I'm contemplating because I'm doing so good in the stocks that I think I'm contemplating just not even to deal with it, and just put the money in my account and just stick with the stocks. If I want to do Bitcoin related stuff, I could do it through TD Ameritrade. Um, I mean, everything is up. I hate to buy with everything up. Bitcoin. Oh wow, Bitcoin is almost at 38,000 again. Here's the chart. Wow, incredible, man. Ethereum is at 1673. These things are really going crazy. They really are. Everything is green. Everything's green. Everything's green. I've made money in the cryptos. I've made money. Don't get me wrong. Um, But right now, I'm just sitting on the sideline. I got some cash in here, but sitting on the sideline. So that's the crypto space. Here you can see Bitcoin here in the future. Um, let's see what the dollar's doing. Dollar's flat. It's been holding 91. S&P oil, man. Oil's been bumping 56, $56 a barrel. Oil's been creeping. I got a lot of oil plays. Got a lot of oil plays. Um, S&P 7. Gold is down $1. Hogs are 72 cents. Lumber 884. Cattle 122. Cattle's gone up. You're gonna start paying more for food. I mean, all food's rising. You're gonna be paying more for food here. It's gonna get worse. Small caps flat. NASDAQ 40 up. Dow Jones up 36. Natural gas has bumped up to 276. Nikkei's down 65. Palladium and platinum down a little bit. Silver down 10 cents. The silver's been walloped. They got to 30 with all this Reddit noise that they're gonna corner the market and they're gonna crush the banks and J.P. Morgan. We're gonna squish them, and they bumped up to 30. And I hope you guys didn't buy at 30. I mean, don't do that stuff. Don't do that. That day I did a video. I tried to buy silver and I wouldn't buy it. Thank God I didn't buy it. Don't do it. Don't chase. I got a couple of put credit spreads that I sold in silver, and they're doing okay. I got like 7 positions in silver in the ETF, and whatever. I'm flat because the volatility is pretty high in there. So, but I rather do put credit spreads in there. VIX is down a little bit, and VIX has gotten hammered. The VIX was at 33. I want to say the VIX was like at 33 not even 5 days ago. 34. So it's gone straight down to 25. So, I don't know if we're going to get a pullback. I mean, it's usually stuff reverts to the mean. So you might get a little pop to 27. Who knows? Did the grains open? Grains open in 20 minutes. But grains have been pretty strong. They're all strong. These are today's numbers. So food costs are going to go up. And interest rates have been rising. Let's take a look at the interest rates. Interest rates have risen. 7 minutes into this video. All right, so bonds. The 10-year, man, 115. I mean, if you look at the 10-year in the last month, look at that. This was under 1%. We're at 115. 3 months ago, we were at 75 basis points. Now we're at 115. So rates are climbing because there's inflation fears, I guess. Here we were at 0.50. Yeah, interest rates have gone up. And until you don't see a big move in here, this is the biggest market that there is, the debt market. This is the debt market. This is the biggest market. So what happens is when you see these yields fall, is when they sell. When they buy bonds, yields fall. And when they sell bonds, yields rise. It's inverse. So as you can see here, they're selling them. The 30 years down 12 ticks, so the 30 years up, and the 10 years down 3 ticks, and yields are rising. The rates are rising. When you see these go green, this is an indicator that risk is coming out of the stock market, because the stock market is a risk asset. So one of the ways that you look at to see if there's problems in the market, obviously you look at VIX. The VIX gives you the fear gauge. This is called the fear gauge. And ZB and ZN are bonds. When you see ZB and ZN get upticks, so you see this is the 5-day chart on rates on the 10-year, and we could pull up the 30-year. It's straight down. if you see an uptick in here, it could be a warning sign that the money's leaving the risk market and going into bonds. So I hope that helps you a little bit. And this is what's called interest rate plays. These are interest rate plays. So when you look at a portfolio, you want to look at portfolio in this manner. Currencies, you want to look at currencies. Bitcoin is considered like a currency, a digital form, a decentralized form of non-government intervention of digital gold, um, and then currencies. These are all the currencies of the world. And then you have commodities, which are gold, silver, platinum, palladium, oil, your foods, wheat, soy, corn. Those are commodities. And then you have interest rates. And these are all things that you need to have in your portfolio to make your portfolio diversified. And then you have interest rates, and then you have volatility can be a part of a portfolio. So I hope that helps you in kind of the scheme of things on a daily basis. Today was a good day, 137 trades, and the portfolio was up. Well, right now it's up 9,300 for the day on the portfolio. So, so I hope that helps you with setting up. These are futures, and you need to know how to use futures. I use the futures to hedge my portfolio. But don't get me wrong, I'll do stuff in them in regards to maybe having a gold position or having a silver position and stuff like that. I do like to do that. So, anyways, I want to cut this video out because we're already running tight on time. I've done plenty of videos today. I want to thank all our subscribers. And if you have any requests, shoot them over. I helped Tejas today with Twitter, and we'll probably do another trade in Twitter as the IV ramps up close to earnings. Maybe do a couple another trades in there. Um, and if you have any requests, shoot them my way. I like to talk to folks. Trading can be a lonely world. So, anyways, have a good night.